There are times when speed is the only answer. This video is no different whatsoever. Cars have always been loved for their speed, and many people made some mind-blowing cars that breaks many barriers. Although they are not the production cars which you can buy for yourself, but they are indeed some amazing stuff. So today we're gonna count the 6 fastest non-production cars around the world. Hey guys, I'm Ishan and you're watching Rebound Box, signing in. Number 6. The Wingfoot Express was Walt Alphonse and Tom Green's jet-powered land speed record car that driven by Green. The car was G46 jet-powered and it hit a speed of 415 miles per hour in 1965. Nobody is quite sure where the car is as it's not on display at any museum. Number 5. The Green Monster was a car that was developed by Art Alphonse and his half-brother Walt Alphonse. The car won the land speed record 3 times during the close competition of 1964 and 1965 F-104 Starfighter jet engine with a 4-stage afterburner. The car was eventually beaten by Craig Bridlove. Number 4. Craig Bridlove piloted the Spirit of America on his last attempt on the Bonneville Salt Flats of November 15, 1965. During that run, he hit a speed of 600 miles per hour. The motor was a GE G79 engine originally from an F4 Phantom. The car is currently on display at the Peterson Automotive Museum, California. The Beach Boys wrote a song about the car called Spirit of America. Number 3. Gary Gaplick, who had this car hit a record speed of 630 miles per hour on the Bonneville Salt Flats on October 23, 1970, drove the Blue Flame. It was built in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. The motor on the car was revolutionary as it is used a combination of hydrogen peroxide and liquefied natural gas that was pressurized by helium. At full power, the motor could produce a full thrust of 22 pounds, generating 58,000 horsepower. Number 2. The Thrust 2 is a British designed jet car that once held the land speed record before it was overtaken by another British machine, the Thrust SSC. The car was designed by John Ackroyd and driven by Richard Noble. It broke the record on October 4, 1983 at the Black Rocks Desert in the Nevada, USA. The final top speed was 633 miles per hour after an average of 2 runs was taken. The car, like the Thrust SSC, is being shown at the Coventry Transport Museum in Coventry, England. Well, congrats for coming this far, guys. Before we jump into the number 1 spot, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe us out. Number 1. The Thrust SSC is a jet-powered rocket car created by the Richard Noble, Glenn Browser, Ron Evers and Jeremy Bliss. It set the record on October 15, 1997 after the car hit a speed of 763 miles per hour. It was the first car to actually break the sound barrier, which sounds like something out of the comic book. The car was driven by Royal Air Force fighter pilot squadron leader Andy Green in the Black Rock Desert in Nevada, United States. Powering the machine was a Rolls-Royce Spey turbofan used on F4 Phantoms. If you live in the United Kingdom, you can visit the car at the Coventry Transport Museum in Coventry, England.